Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by bringing the Raider to operating temperature for 5–10 minutes so the coolant flows and carries debris out. Once done, kill the engine and set the bike upright. You need stability. Remove the radiator and overflow caps to vent the system. Place a pan under the drain bolt or lower hose, then open the drain. Let gravity do the work. You'll see dark fluid, that's why you warmed it. Close the drain when the flow thins to intermittent drips. Next, you flush the cooling passages to remove sludge. Pour clean water through the radiator until the outflow is clear, then close the drain. Make sure to inspect hoses, clamps, radiator fins, and impeller for damage or corrosion. Replace anything visibly compromised. Now you refill with a 50/50 premix, or the specified coolant, pouring slowly into the radiator and overflow to minimize air pockets. You should leave the radiator. To finish, you must remove trapped air. Open the bleeder screw if fitted, or cycle the choke and gently rev the engine with the radiator cap off until thermostat opens and bubbles stop. Once the flow steadies, top off to the correct level and replace both caps securely. Run the bike to operating temperature while checking for leaks and ensuring the gauge reads normal. If the bike overheats or you smell sweet coolant, stop, recheck hoses and clamp tightness. Trapped air or a bad hose often causes both.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.